diving into something really exciting, DeepSeek AI. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, a developer, or just someone curious about the future of AI, you are going to love this. DeepSeek AI is not just another AI model, it's a game changer. Let's explore why. First, let's talk about what makes DeepSeek stand out. When you visit deepseek.com, you will see a detailed comparison table of DeepSeek's capabilities against other leading models like GPT-4, Claude, and Llama. DeepSeek V3, their latest model, tops the leaderboard in inference speed and performance. It's not just fast, it's incredibly accurate across various benchmarks like MMLU, Drop, and even coding tasks like Codeforces. This means whether you're working on complex math problems or coding challenges, DeepSeek has got your back. Now let's take a look at the user interface. If you have used ChatGPT, this will feel very familiar. But here's the kicker. DeepSeek is completely free. Yes, you heard that right. It's open source and it's multimodal, meaning it can handle text, images, PDFs, and even web searches. Let me show you some quick examples. First, let's ask a coding related question. How do I implement a binary search algorithm Python? And just like that, DeepSeek provides a clear and concise code snippet. This is incredibly useful for developers looking for quick solutions or learning new algorithms. Next, let's try something more advanced. I'm going to upload a PDF document and ask DeepSeek to summarize it. Watch this. It reads the document and gives me a concise summary. This is perfect for students or professionals who need to quickly digest long documents. Now let's test its image capabilities. I'm uploading this image and asking what does this graph represent. DeepSeek recognizes it and explains that it's a comparison of various AI models based on their MMLU Redux Zero Eval score versus their input API price. This kind of analysis can be incredibly helpful for researchers and developers. Finally, let's see how it handles web searches. I'm asking what's the latest news on AI advancements. DeepSeek pulls up the most recent information from the web. This is incredibly useful for staying updated on the latest trends. Now let's talk about the API pricing. If you are a developer, this is where DeepSeek really shines. Compared to GPT-4, DeepSeek's API is significantly cheaper. Here's the breakdown. Input tokens, DeepSeek charges $0.07 per million tokens with a discounted price of $0.014 per million tokens until February 8, 2025. After that, it's still just $0.07 per million tokens, which is way cheaper than GPT-4's $30 per million tokens. Output tokens. DeepSeek charges $1.10 per million tokens, discounted to $0.28 per million tokens until February 8, 2025, compared to GPT-4's $60 per million tokens. Even without the discount, DeepSeek is far more affordable than GPT-4, making it an excellent choice for developers and businesses. And here's something else you will love. DeepSeek Artifacts. It's a separate platform that allows you to create applications just by giving a prompt. For example, you can say, create a React app that displays a random inspirational quote every time you click a button. DeepSeek Artifacts doesn't just generate the code. It creates a file, adds the code to it, and shows the result in real time. And the best part, no sign up or login is required to use this feature. It's like having a personal developer at your fingertips, completely hassle-free. So there you have it, DeepSeek AI. It's open source, multimodal, and incredibly cost-effective. Whether you are a developer, student, or just someone curious about AI, DeepSeek is definitely worth checking out. Before I wrap up, I just want to wish you all a happy new year. Let's make 2025 a year filled with learning, innovation, and growth. Thank you for being part of this journey, and I look forward to bringing you more exciting AI and tech updates. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.